Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to share you a very good tricks that can change every sound on your PC. How you going to do it? So first we're going to go for our step 1, open sound settings. For that we can simply press in our keyboard Windows plus R, and then into the run system we can simply type control space mmsys.cpl space sounds and click enter. It will going to open sounds tab. You can also open it by simply come over into the search option. You can simply search for change system sounds. You can simply click enter. It will also going to open this sounds tab. After here we can simply look for into the sound section and click on the sound scheme, and you can simply select no sound and Windows default option. You can simply select Windows default option, and into these program events you can simply select any of your needs. Like I want to change the notification sound. For that I'm going to select notification sounds, and here I can simply click on the browse because I have custom notification sound that I really want to add into my notification sound section. So I'm going to click on this, select this, and if I just click on the test, you can simply hear the sound. So I'm going to click on apply and OK, and that's it. So here is the message for you. You cannot choose any other sound file format without WAV. Windows only support for sound system WAV formats, so make sure your file is set it into WAV format. So that's it for today. You can simply change your sound scheme by simply using this method. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.